Most people think buying a reliable SUV is as simple as picking a big brand name. But the latest data tells a very different story. Behind the scenes, long-term ownership reports, repair records, and real-world mileage are exposing a small group of SUVs that quietly outperform everything else on the road. These aren't the flashy models dominating ads or dealership showrooms. In fact, the most dependable SUV right now is one most buyers completely ignore, costing them thousands in the long run. In this video, we're breaking down the 4 SUVs that consistently go the distance, the costly mistake nearly every buyer makes, and the hidden engineering pattern that separates vehicles that last 250,000 miles from the ones that don't even make it to 50,000. Let's start with the SUV almost no one sees coming. At first glance, it looks modest, nothing flashy, nothing attention-grabbing. But underneath that simple design is one of the most consistently reliable compact SUVs on the market. Number 4. Mazda CX5. This SUV continues to outperform vehicles that cost significantly more. It earned an impressive reliability score of 88 from Consumer Reports, but real-world ownership data suggests it might be even better than that number implies. While many automakers are loading their vehicles with complex tech and delicate systems, Mazda took a different route. They focused on refining proven engineering instead of overcomplicating it, and that decision pays off long-term. What makes the CX5 stand out is what it avoids. No overly complex electronics, no unnecessary features that turn into costly repairs, and no fragile components that fail early. It's built with durability in mind, not just showroom appeal. Financially, it's just as strong. The CX5 retains about 67% of its value after 3 years, which puts it ahead of many competitors in its class, and even some higher-priced SUVs. That means lower depreciation, fewer repair costs, and better long-term value. When a vehicle delivers this level of consistency, it doesn't go unnoticed. Owners hold onto it, and the resale market reflects that. The next SUV completely changes the narrative. Instead of keeping things simple, it leans into hybrid technology and still manages to deliver top-tier reliability. Number 3. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. On paper, this shouldn't work as well as it does. You've got an electric motor, battery pack, regenerative braking system, and a gasoline engine all working together. In most cases, that level of complexity leads to more potential failure points over time. But Toyota didn't reinvent the wheel here, they refined it. This hybrid system has been tested across multiple models for years, building a track record in real-world conditions with hundreds of thousands of miles behind it. That's why this SUV performs so consistently. Owners report minimal battery degradation, smooth transitions between electric and gas power, and a drivetrain that just keeps going without issues. It's not just about reliability, it's about efficiency. The system is designed to reduce strain. The electric motor supports the engine when needed, preventing constant stress and extending the life of key components. According to Consumer Reports, it scores an outstanding 79 in reliability. But more importantly, that performance translates into real savings. It retains around 72% of its value after 3 years, while also delivering lower fuel costs and fewer repair bills. This is where smart engineering meets long-term value. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, a small SUV that punches far above its weight. In the subcompact category, few vehicles offer this mix of capability and value. Consumer Reports gives the Crosstrek an 82 predicted reliability score, and its hardware explains why. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive, it can handle rough roads and light trails that stop many larger crossovers. That's a big reason younger buyers gravitate toward it. It supports an active lifestyle without crushing monthly payments. Its compact footprint makes city driving and tight parking easy, yet on weekends it's perfectly comfortable heading to trailheads or campsites. Inside, Subaru uses space efficiently. The front seats are supportive for long drives, the rear seats are usable for shorter trips, and the cargo area easily handles groceries, sports gear, or camping equipment. The dashboard is dominated by an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen with clear navigation, smartphone integration, and Subaru Starlink services for emergency assistance and vehicle monitoring. Fuel economy comes in around 33 miles per gallon on the highway, impressive for an AWD vehicle with real ground clearance. Power from the base engine is sufficient, though passing on two-lane roads requires some patience. Safety remains a strong point, with standard eyesight features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alerts. The Crosstrek delivers efficiency and versatility, but for some buyers, even better fuel savings may still be the next priority. Number 1. Subaru Forester. Taking the top spot is the Subaru Forester, and if that surprises you, it shouldn't. Subaru hasn't been chasing flash or hype for the past decade. They've been quietly building some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. The Forester isn't the most powerful, the most luxurious, or the most high-tech SUV here. But Consumer Reports doesn't crown winners based on spec sheets. They rank real-world reliability, safety, owner satisfaction, and long-term value, and that's where the Forester dominates. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. No upgrades, no add-ons. It's always on, constantly adjusting to road conditions before you even notice a loss of traction. That alone puts it ahead of most rivals. The upright, boxy design isn't about style, it's about function. Visibility is outstanding, interior space is maximized, and confidence behind the wheel is immediate. Parking, lane changes, and tight roads all feel easier because you can actually see around you. Inside, the Forester is refreshingly straightforward. Materials are durable, controls are intuitive, and the seats are comfortable for long drives. Cargo space is excellent, the rear seats fold flat, and standard roof rails make it a favorite for outdoor lifestyles. The naturally aspirated boxer engine won't win drag races, but it's efficient, reliable, and paired with a low center of gravity that gives the Forester stable, predictable handling. Consumer Reports ranks the Forester number 1, thanks to exceptional predicted reliability, top-tier safety scores, and some of the highest owner satisfaction in the industry. Pricing starts in the mid-20,000s, with fully loaded models staying under $40,000. It's not flashy, and that's exactly why it wins.